Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some delicious and heart-healthy grilling recipes that you need to try before the end of summer. We're talking about food so good, it'll make you want to slap your mama. All right, maybe not literally, but trust me, these recipes are absolute fire. Get ready to elevate your grilling game and say goodbye to boring, bland meals. Let's get started. First up, we've got a grilled salmon with avocado salsa that'll make you feel like you've died and gone to flavor heaven. Imagine the smoky, charred exterior of the salmon, perfectly grilled to a golden brown, with the inside remaining tender and juicy. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. This isn't just any ordinary salmon dish. It's a culinary experience that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving more. We're talking about fresh salmon fillets, seasoned to perfection with just a touch of salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. The key here is simplicity. You want to let the natural flavors of the salmon shine through. The salt enhances the fish's natural sweetness, while the pepper adds a subtle kick. The lemon juice not only adds a zesty brightness, but also helps to tenderize the fish, making it even more succulent. It's a straightforward yet incredibly effective way to prepare salmon that will impress even the most discerning palates. And the avocado salsa? Don't even get me started. This isn't just a side dish, it's a game changer. Imagine ripe avocados, diced to perfection, mixed with juicy tomatoes, crisp red onions, and a hint of fresh cilantro. Add a squeeze of lime juice and a pinch of salt, and you've got a salsa that's creamy, tangy, and bursting with freshness. It's the perfect complement to the rich, smoky flavor of the grilled salmon. It's the perfect blend of creamy, tangy, and fresh. The creaminess of the avocado pairs beautifully with the tanginess of the lime juice, while the tomatoes and onions add a satisfying crunch. The cilantro brings a burst of herbal freshness that ties everything together. This salsa isn't just a topping, it's an integral part of the dish that elevates the salmon to new heights. Each bite is a harmonious blend of flavors and textures that will leave you wanting more. This dish is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your heart and brain. Salmon is one of the best sources of these essential fats, which have been shown to reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve overall cardiovascular health. But that's not all. Omega-3s are also crucial for brain function, helping to improve memory and cognitive performance. So, not only is this dish delicious, but it's also incredibly nutritious. It's a win-win situation. Plus, it's light, refreshing, and perfect for a hot summer evening. Imagine sitting on your patio, the sun setting in the background, a gentle breeze blowing, and a plate of this delicious grilled salmon with avocado salsa in front of you. It's the epitome of summer dining. The lightness of the dish means you won't feel weighed down, making it ideal for those warm evenings when you want something satisfying, yet not too heavy. Pair it with a crisp white wine or a refreshing iced tea, and you've got the perfect summer meal. You can't go wrong with this one, folks. Whether you're hosting a summer barbecue, having a casual dinner with family, or just treating yourself to a delicious meal, this grilled salmon with avocado salsa is sure to be a hit. It's easy to make, packed with flavor, and incredibly healthy. So, fire up that grill, grab some fresh ingredients, and get ready to enjoy a meal that will make you feel like a gourmet chef. Trust me, you're gonna love this. Next, we're firing up the grill. There's something incredibly satisfying about the sound of a grill igniting, the sight of those barbecue flames dancing, and the anticipation of the delicious meal to come. Today, we're preparing some mouth-watering grilled chicken and vegetable skewers. Imagine the aroma of grilled chicken mingling with the fresh scent of vegetables, all sizzling together on the grill. We're talking about tender, juicy chicken breast, marinated in a blend of herbs, spices, and a touch of olive oil. This marinade not only infuses the chicken with incredible flavor, but also helps to keep it moist and succulent as it cooks. And the vegetables? We're using a colorful medley of bell peppers, onions, zucchini, and cherry tomatoes. These vegetables not only add a burst of color to your skewers, but also bring a variety of textures and flavors that complement the chicken perfectly. These skewers are a great source of protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. The chicken provides lean protein, which is crucial for muscle repair and growth, while the vegetables offer a range of nutrients, including vitamins A and C, potassium, and dietary fiber. Plus, they're easy to assemble and cook evenly on the grill. Simply thread the marinated chicken and vegetables onto skewers, alternating between the two to ensure each bite is a perfect mix of flavors. Make sure to leave a little space between each piece to allow for even cooking. Get ready for a flavor explosion in every bite. The combination of the smoky charred chicken with the sweet caramelized vegetables is truly irresistible. Whether you're hosting a summer barbecue or just looking for a healthy, delicious meal, these grilled chicken and vegetable skewers are sure to be a hit. So, gather your ingredients, fire up the grill, and enjoy the process of creating this delightful dish. Happy grilling! Happy! Now, for all you vegetarians out there, don't think I've forgotten about you. These grilled portobello mushrooms are so meaty and flavorful you won't even miss the steak. We're talking about large portobello caps, marinated in a balsamic vinaigrette and grilled to perfection. The mushrooms soak up all that delicious flavor, creating a rich, savory and satisfying dish. Portobello mushrooms are a great source of antioxidants and nutrients, making them a healthy and delicious choice for any meal. Get ready for some grilled shrimp with lemon and garlic that will have you shouting "Oi!" from the rooftops. This dish is not only a feast for the eyes, but also a delight for your taste buds. Imagine the aroma of fresh shrimp sizzling on the grill, mingling with the zesty scent of lemon and the rich, savory notes of garlic. It's a sensory experience that will transport you straight to a summer paradise. We're talking about plump, juicy shrimp, marinated in a simple but flavorful blend of lemon juice, garlic and olive oil. This marinade is the secret to infusing the shrimp with a burst of flavor that is both tangy and savory. The lemon juice adds a refreshing citrus kick, while the garlic provides a robust aromatic depth. Olive oil ties it all together, ensuring the shrimp remain tender and juicy as they cook. The shrimp are grilled to perfection, giving them a slightly smoky flavor that pairs perfectly with the bright, citrusy marinade. As the shrimp cook, they develop a beautiful char that enhances their natural sweetness and adds a delightful crunch. The grilling process also locks in the marinade's flavors, creating a harmonious blend of tastes and textures that is simply irresistible. This dish is light, refreshing, and packed with protein and flavor. Each bite offers a perfect balance of smoky, tangy, and savory notes, making it a versatile option for any meal. Whether you're serving it as an appetizer, a main course, or even a snack, these grilled shrimp are sure to impress. Plus, they're healthy and nutritious, providing a good source of lean protein and essential nutrients. It's the perfect appetizer or main course for any summer gathering. Picture yourself at a lively outdoor party, surrounded by friends and family, with a platter of these delicious shrimp as the centerpiece. They're easy to eat, fun to share, and guaranteed to be a hit with guests of all ages. So fire up the grill, gather your ingredients, and get ready to enjoy a taste of summer with these mouth-watering grilled shrimp with lemon and garlic. And for dessert, we've got a grilled pineapple with honey and lime that will blow your mind. We're talking about juicy pineapple slices, grilled to perfection and drizzled with a sweet and tangy honey-lime glaze. The grilling process caramelizes the natural sugars in the pineapple, creating a rich, smoky, and irresistible flavor. This dessert is the perfect way to end a summer meal on a sweet and refreshing note. Trust me, you'll want to make this one again and again. Thanks for watching. I hope these recipes have inspired you to fire up the grill and create some delicious and heart-healthy meals this summer. Remember, cooking should be fun, creative, and full of flavor. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. And most importantly, enjoy the process. Now go forth and grill like a rock star.